Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum. And today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1957 Buick Super Riviera. Now if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on those notifications by clicking that bell icon. That way you don't miss out on any of the vehicles and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. And the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually get you in the driver's seat so you can see how it's going down the road, what it sounds like, what it handles like, no matter where you're at in this world. For all additional information, when we get done, I want you to go on over to volocars.com. That's VOLO cars.com. We have a couple hundred pictures, detailed write-up, the selling price. Our goal is to get you as much information as possible, so when you give us a call, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, everything's just super easy from there. Absolutely stunning car. Let's go ahead and get in. The interior looks brand new. This bench seat is really comfortable. No seat belts, so that's why I'm not putting that on. She starts right up. Has a radio right there, and then also Sirius. I don't know how it works. I'm sure with enough figuring it out, you'll find it. The blower works for the heat. I'm looking down here, it has gauges. I did notice the tachometer down there looks good to go. Then we have the engine temp, the battery gauge. Those look like they're new and in working order. Up here I did put a couple gallons in. It seems like everything is in working order. So yeah, this is our first time though, myself or anyone from the shop getting to take this beautiful vehicle out on the road. So you and I will be experiencing everything firsthand together. I am going to start off just kind of going slow, getting a hang of her, and then I'll try to see, get her up to cruising speed later in the video. So let's go for a ride. This is one beautiful car. Let's see. Seems like she drives straight. Steering wheel's just a little bit off-centered, but very minimal play in the steering wheel. I'm noticing the speedometer's not going with it, so that's something that we have to look into. But overall, I like the way the accelerator feels. I like the way this cruises. Brakes feel right. Sounds good going over that bumpy road. Really enjoyable ride. Plenty of visibility. People giving me thumbs up and shouting at me. That is one of the benefits, even if people don't want to admit it, driving one of the classic cars, because they're so beautiful and just, they make people smile. They give you the thumbs up. Yeah, not your race car, but this gets right up to speed as needed. Easy to control, feels great going down this road. pumps going at this speed. Still feels really good. Didn't make the turn, that's all right. Let's have another pass. Drives really great. I'm assuming probably going 40, 45 right now. Really just beautiful, nice, classic car. I love it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com and check out all those pictures, the write-up, and then give our sales team a call. As always, I appreciate you.